Hi girls, it's Ali, and today I have something really cute to share with you. It's as you can see, it's an old-fashioned sewing machine, and at its widest points is, I think it's almost 10 inches wide and 6 inches high. I think it's really cute. I'll try and come in a bit. This lighting is not actually showing how I inked it up and just how vintage it looks. But I thought it was really cute. And it's 2 pieces. So you've got the solid back and obviously the ornate front. I am selling the die cuts. I can do them I think as big as 12 by 8, not 12 by 8, sorry, about 11 by 11 by 7 I think it is. But I have some cut out here because, well, I wanted to show you really. But the only thing with my puzzles, it doesn't cut chipboard. So there's another one there. This was the bigger size, if you can see. And it's, that card and paper is quite flimsy. I'm not going to waste it though, so I shall just cut a few more out and just stick the pieces together so it becomes like stronger. Yeah, so I'm such a div, and I think, yeah, this one I think is a little bit bigger as well. So I was just trying to get the right size and everything. So that's just popped on a stand there. But there's the back. So the back is just plain. Now, because I added 3D pop dots like that, it has rather made it quite strong. Now, if you wanted to use it, obviously, as an album cover, you know, you'd obviously need 2 sets. If you wanted the back the same. But you could always, you know, it's an easy enough shape, girls, you know, to just draw around, look, you know, on your thin chipboard or your medium weight chipboard. So if anyone's interested, let me know. Send me a message on YouTube, and I'll let you know the price and everything. Also, I have some more designs as well, and I might end up doing a grab pack, because I'm in the middle of designing this at the moment, which is a Victorian couch, which is really quite pretty. Whoops. Which is really quite pretty, and again quite large. That's, what do we say, it's my ruler. So that at its widest point is, sorry girls, I'm not used to working with one hand, am I? Right, that's a little over 10 wide at its widest point, and let me see. And about 5.5 deep. So I've got some really cool shapes, new files, and I'm not selling the files, I'm afraid. Oops, I covered that up. I'm not selling the files, in case anyone missed that, but I am selling the die cuts. I am waiting for a lot of thick black card to come, and fingers crossed it will cut that. I've also ordered some in white, which is thicker as well. I mean, the chipboard, I've got lots of chipboard, but the puzzles will just not cut it for some reason, and I'm so scared that if I put the pressure up, it's actually going to cut through my mat. I'm really sorry for the shakiness on this film, darlings. So we're still in the middle of sorting out my room, but as you can see, it's a bit of a mess here. I'll give you a quick peek. There's my beautiful dress form up there. But the likes of these shelves and that, I've just got to clear them all up yet. And same as my wooden stamps and that there, I've got to clear them all up. That's my daughter, look, when she was a baby. And this is a fire breast here. So, it's my beautiful wall hanger that Kat made me. And there, Debbie made me. And there's my Sasha up there. And I'm really stretching back. So, right, I hope that did not make you dizzy, girls. I am so sorry. I just couldn't get up off my chair. Right, love to you all, and I'll be back with you soon with the Victorian couch. So let's just leave you with some close-up details. That dress form is the one that I done in UT, and I just put loads of glitter over her. I thought she'd come out really pretty. So that's stickles there. So this is my new nameplate. This is a stick pin, and I am so sorry, I can't remember who made that for me, but it's just beautiful. This little spool here and these scissors are from the Mayer Road set, with the little dress form and hangers and stuff. This is just a vintage button, but I wanted something, and I thought it went really well actually, because the old-fashioned ones, the wheel is like that, isn't it, on here. So I just fussy cutted these two butterflies. No, this butterfly is from a K&Co die cut collection, same as this. I think it's the cut and paste set, I think. The backing paper, designer paper, is also K&Co. Just got a big flower here that I bought from the pound store, and then just put this big rose inside from Wild Orchid Crafts, and just use a Copic marker in a beige, dark beige colour, to just go around the the tips of the petals there. Okay, and as you can see, it's got my name on it, and I cut that out on the puzzles as well, in gold fancy card, and then just put a bit of bling on each letter. So thanks girls, thanks for joining me. As always, lots of love to you all, and I'll be back soon. Thanks then. Bye for now. Bye.